close to being able to drive and enjoy the Mustang. Unfortunately, I need a valve that goes in here, and this is the replacement number. It's supposed to be, but this style is supposed to go in the tank and twist and lock. The one that came out of there, which is broke, slides right in. So that is the only thing stopping us from driving the Mustang. I got headers on it, H-pipes on it, exhausts on it, engine's in. All I gotta do is hook up the mass airflow sensor, fill it with coolant, and get an upper radiator hose. And I can't drive it because I can't find that piece. It's been discontinued through Ford. No one anywhere has one on the shelf. So I can't even start my car. What does depression look like? Right here. Going to get the one thing done that I can't do. Reset the security system. Everything else on the car is done. Maybe tomorrow we'll be driving it. Makes me sick to see my car in a rollback though, I'm gonna tell you that. Oh, shit. Look. I got a transit's in.